Finally, I'm here for the hair transplant from Tokyo, Japan. I was not scared about hair transplant. Everyone said to me like, don't do it, I will prove them wrong. It's my challenge. Hi, my name is Nur Hassan and I'm 31 years old and I'm here for my hair transplant from Tokyo, Japan. And I'm suffering this hair fall from, like 3 years. And I researched many things, but finally I choose QHT because I watch many videos on YouTube for hair transplant and everything about hair issues. So finally today I'm come here to do my hair transplant and I'm very positive about that. My hair fall problem started almost 3 years ago, and when I was every day like going to take shower and shampoo on my hair, so I saw lots of hair fall. So I faced this problem almost 3 years. So that's why I decided to do my hair transplant, because it's very thinning day by day. So I don't want to waste my time. That's why I came here for my hair transplant at QHT Haridwar. 2016, I faced first time for my hair fall because that time I got a little bit chicken pox. So after that it was completely cured. But when I went to Japan 2016 on July, then I started to take shower with hot water. So day by day it's my hair follicles getting damaged for the hot water. So that's why maybe my hair is fallen everywhere. That's why I decided to do the hair transplant, and that's why I came here at QHT Haridwar. So after I got my hair fall started, so I never took any medicine or I never went any clinic for hair treatment. But then I started, when it's fallen out, then I just started to wear cap always. But every day my confidence getting low day by day, it's more. So that's why finally I decided to do something on my hair. That's why I came here at QHT. Then I was planning to do the hair transplant. That's why I researched on Google, on YouTube, on every social platform. Then I contact with QHT. So they suggest me about my condition of my scalp. They suggest me 5,500 grafts I need, about all cover. So that's why I am here for my transplant. Finally, I am here for the hair transplant. But before hair transplant, I saw many videos. Someone said it's painful and someone said it's painless. So although I'm here, so I'm very positive about the transplant. Today I will do the hair transplant, so I will keep in touch with my friends and all those people who support me. So I will keep update about my transplant and the result, final result, everything I will share with everyone who helped me, who are with me. That's all. So all the best. I just complete my hair transplant, and before transplant I had many doubts, but when I came here, the supporting staff and all that members here of QHT, they gave me a lot of encourage me. And when I went to the OT, it was really cool atmosphere, and it's very painless procedure, no doubt. So if you want to do hair transplant, just come and do it. And it was amazing experience. The QHT whole staff, doctors, all the members are really amazing. They are so helpful and they are so caring. I am very happy to be here. I am very positive about my result, but before get the result, I have to follow the instruction the doctor said to me. So I am so much positive to get the best result because I believe in QHT. I want to remove my caps from my life because it's very disgusting always wear cap. That's it, nothing else. I have lots of collections of caps, but I want to remove caps from my life. It's very disgusting for me right now. Always cover my head. So yeah, and that's it. Yes, I want to show the good result to my friend who is always like discourage me, like hair transplant is nothing, it's very painful and you will not get the result. He always said to me, but I want to prove wrong to my friend. That's why I'm waiting for the final result, and I will show you obviously. So just wait for that result. I just done my hair transplant, so that's it, and it's nothing, it's very less painful, and it's for my personal experience, it's nothing about me, like it's nothing, no pain. I just enjoy the whole procedure. It's very easy for me. It was very easy for me. Putting inside, it's very less, like it's everyone said before, like bearable pain and all that. It's nothing. It's really nothing. Before the surgery, lots of people, like my friends, my relatives, everyone said to me like, don't do it because it's about head, so you will be in trouble in future. So actually I don't care about all that, because what I want to do, I just want to do. So I decided myself that I will come to QHT and I will do my hair transplant. And before hair transplant and after, I am always positive, and I'm also wish that the result will be so good, so I will prove them wrong. It's my challenge. I want to say everyone that I done my hair transplant, and after 6 or 7 months I will show my result to everyone, and I will say everyone for all the best. So just do it. It's nothing scared about hair transplant. It's painless. Thank you so much everyone. Hi, my name is Suman and I'm from West Bengal, Kolkata. But almost 10 years I'm living in Tokyo, Japan, and I came here at Delhi QHT for my first hair wash. I was looking for a good and renowned hair transplant clinic. So one of my friends, his name is Mr. and he suggested me about QHT Clinic for the hair transplant, and I've been looking for almost 1 year, and finally I done my hair transplant at Haridwar QHT Clinic, and that all the journey was amazing, and I'm so happy to be here. I'm living in Tokyo from 2016, but I'm facing the hair fall problem last 2 years. And I also searched about the hair transplant clinic in Tokyo, but I was not satisfied about the Tokyo's all the hair transplant clinic. I visited many clinic, but I was not satisfied. Then I decided to come my motherland, India. So after all the investigation, I chose QHT, and it was amazing. The doctor, all the staff, supporting staff, all are amazing. I'm very happy to be here. I was not scared about hair transplant. It was very easy for me, and when I visited QHT clinic, the doctors and all the staffs, they explained me so well, and they encouraged me so well. And after I went to the OT, and the atmosphere was so cool, amazing. I didn't scared about the hair transplant surgery. Who need it, just do it. For the surgery, my friend and especially my mom was so scared, but after surgery, my friends and my family, like my mother, until they are very scared about me, they are saying everything okay or something, like they keep asking me what happening with me, but absolutely it's fine. I'm nothing worry about it, and hope after some months I will get the best result, and I will show them that it was nothing to worry about it. It was fine. Hair fall is like sometimes it's very natural, but when you are doing something good like your job and all about like the friend circle, you cannot take pictures properly, and like your everything getting low, and self-confidence getting low day by day, and it's very impactful. Your everything is going down, it's getting low. I who are facing the hair fall problem, they know very well, so I am also one of them. So that's why I finally came QHT for the hair transplant journey. It was so good. After surgery, every day, for the supporting staff, every day they call me, they message me like how to cure, how to take care, how to maintain everything. They asking me. Doctor also keep in touch with me. So they step by step, they taking care of me very well. So I think the result will be so nice. I'm waiting for that. Everything is fine. So guys, I have done my hair transplant at QHT, and also I did my first head wash today. And if you want to do the hair transplant, just come and visit and at QHT. So thank you so much guys, and it was very great journey at QHT. Thank you so much QHT.
Hello friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get update on every video.